Hello students and welcome back to Edupedia World. My name is Shivam Mishra and I am a BTech from IIT BHU. Today we will be discussing JEE Advanced 2013 Chemistry Paper 2. The paper code which we are using is 3. So let us look at the questions one by one. Question number 6. In this question it states that a nuclear transmutation reaction is taking place and we have been asked to identify X and Y. So this is a question from the topic of nuclear chemistry and it's a fairly simple question. We simply need to fit in all the options and check for the correct option. So let us start with option A. In option A it states that we have 4Be9 and we are bombarding it with gamma radiation. Gamma radiations are just packets of energy. So we can represent them as 0, gamma 0, and then the product which we are getting is that 4Be8 plus Y. Y has been given as neutron. So neutron has 0 charge, that is 0 N1. Now all we need to do, this is 4 and this is 9. Now all we need to do in such reactions is that we have to check whether the charges and the masses are balanced or not. So if you look at the charges, that is 4 plus 0 and 4 plus 0. This is balanced, both sides we are getting 4. And if you look at the masses, 9 plus 0, 8 plus 1. So the mass here is 9 as well as here is 9. So both the charge as well as the mass are balanced. So option A will be our correct option. Let's come to B. Let's look at B. B says that X can be proton and Y can be D. D stands for deuterium. Let us examine this option. So we have again 4Be9. We are bombarding it with a proton, that is 1P1. What we are getting is we are getting 4Be9 plus deuterium, that will be 1H2, right? Just a little bit of correction. This value over here will be 8 and not 9 because in the question you can see it has been given as 8. Okay, so again we have to do the same thing. We have to look out if the charges and the masses are balanced, which is fairly easy thing to do. You can see 4 plus 1 5 and 4 plus 1 5. So charges are balanced. 9 plus 1 10, 8 plus 2 10. Masses are also balanced. So B will also be our correct option. Let's come to option C. In option C it says that we have been given a N, that is a neutron, and a D, that is a deuterium, right? So if you check out for option C can be again written as we have 4Be9 and we are bombarding it with a neutron. Neutron has a 0 charge and 1 mass, so 0 N1, 0 N1, and this gives us as 4Be8 plus it says the product is a deuterium, that is 1, this is 8, 1H2. So if you now look at this option, we can easily see that this is 4 plus 0 and this is 4 plus 1. So the charges are not conserved. So that means that C cannot be our option. Let us go to D now. In D we have been given gamma and a proton. Gamma, as we all must know, that is simply a form of energy. So in D we have again 4Be9. We bombard it with gamma, which has 0 charge and 0 mass. It is a form of energy. The products are 4Be8 and it says we have a proton. Proton is 1 charge and 1 for mass. So again if you look at the reactions, 4 plus 0, 4 plus 1, so charge is not balanced. Again D cannot be our answer. So the correct options for this question will be A and B. Thank you.